Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do an unboxing for my RPG keyboard, and I decided to get a keyboard because I wanted to get a keyboard that looks aesthetic, and yeah, I felt like it's time for me to get one that I really like. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. So today I just unboxed my keyboard. So it looks so cool. And it sounds really cool as well. Let's see. So type in